Alrighty, it's April 27th, 2009, and I'm out with Nick Slosher and Nate Hodgins. They're large lake specialists. We're up on Rainy Lake here, Tributary, and we are doing a little spring walleye assessment. Been using some electrocuting today. And Nick, tell us what we're doing here.
Sure. What we're doing today is looking at the spawning walleyes that are coming up one of these small rivers that feeds into Rainy Lake in order to assess the spawning run, see how many fish are coming up, what the progression of the spawning run is, whether or not those fish are ready to spawn or not. And what we're going to be doing here today is we've already done some electrofishing with the electrofishing boat that uses a pulse DC current to stun the fish temporarily, so we can put them into this live well and sample them without any harm coming to those fish. So we're going to be getting lengths and sex and state of maturity off of these fish, and then we're going to be clipping the top of the tail fin to let us know that we've already handled that, so if we catch them again tomorrow, we don't count them twice. So if you want to just take the video while Nate processes one or two of these fish.
Alrighty. I suppose we picked up about 25. Oh, that's a nice one there.
Take our lengths in millimeters for increased accuracy.
And this is a female, and she's ready to spawn. So she's ripe.
How many in inches? How long is that fish?
I guess you're looking at
about 27.
Nice. Nice job.
This is a male walleye, 509, ready to spawn.
You can actually see the milk jutting out a little bit. So that's basically it. We've got about another 22 walleyes to go, and then we're going to be doing another run. But basically, that's what you get when you go on an electrocution run with the Minnesota DNR. They're doing a wonderful job here on Rainy Lake walleyes. Thanks, guys.
No problem.